I'm Dean Thompson and I'm the head chef at Schnappa Rock here in Tutukaka, Northland. So tonight we're doing a beef and lamb dinner. I'm doing a collab with Brenton which is real cool. For me, when I was younger, I looked up to Brenton, so to actually be working alongside him, that'd be a real cool experience for me tonight.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, I think it's really awesome that Dean's got the ambassador thing for Northland, for Tutukaka actually. It's good for him. He's a young chef that's keen as, and it's like, I think it's hard when you're from small towns to get the notoriety.
So Nick Keane is my name and proprietor of Schnappa Rock, have been for the last 18 years. It's been huge actually, great response from the community, and with the marketing that Beef and Lamb do, it's really given us a great kick along, yeah. Thrilled for him too. Watching those two work together, it's going to be quite fun. What's really encouraging here tonight is that the restaurant's full with like 95% locals, so they're super fired up too. Both of them are respected in the community. Bringing those two guys together, and the locals are really buzzing, so the vibe that we bring in tonight is what I'm kind of looking forward to.
Another cool thing about this dinner is it's me and Brenton coming together. You're showing the local businesses of Tutukaka working together to promote. It's got a hospitality scene, promoting the destination. It's a really cool place to come to, and we're all quite proud of where we're from. I think sustainability, it's a big word, right? It covers environmental sustainability, and then you also got financially sustainability, you know, and the personal sustainability. It's such a broad topic. For us, we like to focus on Northland produce, so we have our own gardens, and from there we try to buy as much local ingredients as possible, including the half beast that we brought from a local farmer. That will be showcased on our menu tonight. And then also creating a healthy lifestyle for the staff working at Schnappa Rock. You know, we work at such a cool place. It's important to actually enjoy that part of the country. So, you know, I've come to realise how much more important that is since having kids. It was always the work 80 hours a week. Come to realise that for me to be good at my job, I actually have to find that work-life balance.
You know, he's passionate about New Zealand product, he's passionate about good food, and he has a great understanding of what people want. Yeah. So combine that with his enthusiasm for using as local as we can, yeah, it's a big feather.
I've always been proud of New Zealand beef and lamb, and especially when you go overseas and you see the quality of other places and how lucky we are to have that on our doorstep. And you know, you're supporting the local economy too, which is important.
The arancini with the Marina lamb shoulder is so delicious. It was like an old-fashioned roast, but mixed with an Italian sort of fancy flavour. It was amazing.
Well, actually, it's pretty hard to say because they were all just, wow, they all floated my boat. They were great. These guys, these chefs out here have done a spectacular job. Dean, just spectacular.
All of it. Yeah, all of it.
Well, can I just endorse and say thank you to Beef and Lamb for, you know, what they do. That ambassador program's great. It's a shot in the arm, you know, for local business. I know that the MO is to promote NZ Beef and Lamb, but actually what it does on our side of things and getting the product out there and acknowledgement in the market is huge. So no, kudos to you. Thank you.